We'll guide you through how to make circle transition in DaVinci Resolve. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch DaVinci Resolve on your computer and creating a new project so you have a fresh workspace for editing. After the project opens, go to the Edit page, which is where you will arrange your clips and apply the transition. Import 2 video clips into the media pool and wait for them to appear in the project. Drag both clips onto the timeline and place them in the order you want them to play. Make sure the clips are arranged properly on the timeline, so the first clip is followed by the second clip without any unwanted gaps. Next, trim or cut any unnecessary parts of the clips to clean up the sequence, and keep only the sections you want in the final video. Once the clips are prepared, open the Effects panel and navigate to the Video Transition section. Search for the circles transition in the list of available transitions. When you find it, drag the transition to the cut point between the 2 clips on the timeline. DaVinci Resolve will automatically place the effect at the edit point where the first clip changes to the second. After adding the transition, adjust the transition duration as needed. A shorter duration creates a quicker transition, while a longer duration produces a slower and more noticeable effect. You can then modify the transition settings to achieve the desired look and style. Depending on the version of DaVinci Resolve you are using, you may also customize the transition color if needed, so it better matches the mood or design of your video. After making these adjustments, preview the result by playing the timeline around the transition point. Make additional adjustments to the duration or settings until the effect looks the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the edit, export the video using your preferred export settings and save the finished project.